Today we will draw a colorful fish. Let us start draw the fish. First we will draw the head and the body. The pelvic fin, the gill, and the big tail. Dorsal fin, another dorsal fin. And the last is the big eye. Wow! Now let us color the fish. Now I will color the pectoral fin with the color blue. Cool! And now we will color the head of fish with the color pink. Wow! And now we will color the dorsal fin with the color green. And now we will color the body of the fish with the color yellow. The pelvic fin, color orange. And the last part is the tail or caudal fin. We will put 3 different color. The first one I see violet. And the next color is red. we put is blue. Yay, we're done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope we'll see you again for the next video. Bye.